DD Audio is proud to present the long-awaited A-Series components. Composed of the AW6.5A woofer, the AM3 mid-driver, and the AT28A tweeter, the DD Audio A-Series represents the state-of-the-art in driver technology. Driven by the combination of high-energy motors and Kapton-Former CCA-wound voice coils, the AW6.5A and the AM3 provide ultra-low distortion and inductance while maintaining hyper-consistent magnetic flux lines. Featuring lightweight aluminum curvilinear cones supported by butyl rubber surrounds, rigid cast aluminum baskets, and advanced composite spiders, the AW6.5A and the AM3 achieve hyper-precise energy-to-air transfer, resulting in unparalleled accuracy. Supporting the upper end of the audio spectrum, the AT28A is driven by a neodymium motor housed in a precision-tuned aluminum cavity for extended low-frequency response and ultra-low inductance. The AT28A's ceramic dome is floated by a lightweight treated silk surround, providing extraordinary detail and off-axis response in any application. Aesthetically topping off these sonically stunning drivers, the A-Series features precision laser-etched backplates and premium machine grills that are sure to catch an eye in any install. Designed for those with a serious addiction to sonic perfection, the all-new A-Series components are the definition of true-to-the-source performance. Head over to ddaudio.com/dealers to find a dealer near you today.